Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the stew with another banger. In this one, we gonna go over the Nike and StockX lawsuit. Yes, bruh, they're getting sued by Nike. First of all, for the NFTs that they started dropping without Nike's approval. And now it got even deeper, bro. Deadass, they getting sued for selling fakes. So we gonna talk about that shit in a second. Leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel. Hey, let me know what else y'all would like me to cover in the comments. Sneaker streetwear content is what we do on here, so subscribe if that's something you're into. But with all that being said, let's get straight to it. So yeah, bro, y'all heard it here first. Yes, StockX is getting sued by Nike, bro. What the fuck is going on? But there's new information added now. Apparently, over the last 2 months, Nike has been buying sneakers from StockX to see if they're as legit as they claim they are. And in the midst of that shit, they found out that there's literally 4 pairs of fakes that got through to Nike. It's not just your average consumer buying a pair of fakes from StockX. Nah, it's none of that. It's deadass the supplier buying the sneaker that they made, so they know if this shit is fake or not. They not about to be buffooned. And it's this sneaker right here, the patent bred Jordan 1s. Probably one of the most faked sneakers on the market these days. There's so many pairs of these in circulation. Apparently, they just found out a way to fake these shits almost identically, or StockX is just checking these bitches off. They probably getting these shits in like, they straight, fuck it, they good, bro. Nah, but all jokes aside, they've sold over 60 or 50 something thousand of these or some shit like that. I don't know, but there's a lot of these sold in circulation. Over the past 2 months, they ran the test and 4 of these shits came fake to Nike. So now they added that shit to the lawsuit. This shit might affect StockX completely. StockX might still survive simply because they still sell watches, they still sell bags, they selling cards and shit, Pokemon cards, fucking all that shit. They might still survive without sneakers, but honestly, that's their bread and butter. Come on, bro. StockX, you go there for shoes. They sick, bro. So GOAT and eBay are definitely taking the lead in this sneaker market game. Comment down below if they're gonna survive this shit or if it's over, bruh. But yeah, I feel like regardless, StockX is fucked. Nike's whole case is this, basically. StockX is selling an NFT where you get this NFT and then you could trade it in for a sneaker. And ironically, the sneaker just so happens to be the one that they found out is being faked on the website. So your credibility just is shot at that point. It's over, bruh. If you're giving me an NFT to buy a sneaker that might be fake, what the fuck is going on? And the whole thing is that NFTs are fairly new, so there's probably not too many guidelines. StockX thought they were about to get one up on Nike, but the thing is, Nike has already joined the metaverse, which in turn means that they're already into the NFT side of shit. And in a way, StockX was using Nike product in the NFT market, so it's a direct competitor to Nike using Nike, if that makes sense. I don't even know if that makes sense, but it kind of makes sense. Yeah, bro, this whole situation is fucked. I honestly wasn't even gonna comment on it, but I feel like I had to. It's sneaker related. That's what my channel's about here and there, you feel me? So I had to cover it. Let me know what y'all feeling about the situation in the comments. Honestly, I feel like this shit is fucked. I haven't really been against StockX, but I kind of prefer GOAT. I've bought my heat off GOAT, so we straight on that side. But let me know down below if y'all still gonna be copping from StockX. I'm straight on that shit, to be honest. I'm trying to hit for retail. If I need a sneaker, I'll probably go to eBay or GOAT. Honestly, I'm not telling y'all to not cop off StockX. Make your own judgment, but I'm good on that shit. I don't know if it's something y'all gonna be rocking with, but leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel. We still on road to 20K. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.